Next, we have to create the code for clicking on the Earth. At this time, as before, Mercury and Venus are hidden and the light ray needs to move towards Earth. Also, when the ray collides with the Earth, the ray is destroyed and the distance from the Sun to the Earth should be displayed in light minutes. We need to create the code here as before. So let's duplicate the same code created for Mercury. First, I right-click on the when Mercury is click code block like this and duplicate it. Drag the duplicated code block down like this. Let's duplicate the rest of the code again. As before, I also duplicate the when sprite ray collides with Mercury code block. Let's drag the duplicated code block to the place where the code is finished. Okay, now let's change the necessary parts of this code and prepare the code to suit the occasion of clicking on Earth. First, let's replace Mercury in the when Mercury is click code block with Earth. I click on this arrow and select Earth. Now we need to hide Mercury and Venus. Therefore, let's keep the hide Venus code block like this and select Mercury instead of Earth in the hide Earth code block. Next, the light ray is created as before. There is no need to change the height, width and speed of the ray here. But it is necessary to change the direction of the ray. Earlier, the ray was directed towards Mercury. Now the ray should be directed towards the Earth. Let's select Earth instead of Mercury in the point component towards code block here. Okay, now let's see the next part. At this point, the light ray needs to collide with the Earth. So let's replace Mercury with Earth in the when sprite ray collides with Mercury code block. Here we also need to make sprite Earth time visible. So I click on this arrow and change the sprite to sprite Earth time. At this point, the right ray is destroyed as before. After another second, Mercury and Venus will become visible. And let's hide sprite Earth time. I click on this arrow and select Mercury instead of Earth. Sprite Earth time is given here again. Okay, now we have finished creating the journey of light from Sun to planet simulation. Now let's click the live test button here. This is how the screen is displayed. I click on Mercury first. Now the remaining two planets were hidden. The light ray travels to the Mercury. When the ray collides with Mercury in this way, the light ray is destroyed and the distance from the Sun to Mercury is displayed as 3.3 light minutes. If you made it this way, you little ones are very successful. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the phone number 07681252244. Tell your friends about the creation. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school. We are ready to give all the guidance for that. If you want to start DP Coding Clubs in any school where computer labs are available, make a request to the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson with DP Coding School. Have a good day.